Sri Gurupya Namaga children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard max state board, chapter 10, exercise 10.8, fourth sum. The engine of a motor boat moving at 10 meter per second is shut off given that the retardation at any subsequent time, that is mean after shutting off the engine, equal to the velocity at that time. Find the velocity after 2 seconds of switching off the engine. So you can take it as let v be the velocity. Let v be the velocity at any time t. Let v be the velocity at any time t, at any time t. Let v be the velocity at any time t. See, retardation equal to velocity. Retardation given retardation equal to velocity. What is the meaning for that? Retardation equal to velocity. It is nothing but rate of change of velocity according to the time taken. Switching off means, so you can put a negative sign, minus dv by dt equal to v. By variable separable, you can write it as dv by v equal to, you change the negative sign, minus dt. Integrating on both the sides, integrating equal to minus dt. Integrating on both the sides, integral dv by v equal to minus integral dt. So dv by v equal to log of mod v equal to minus t plus log of mod c. So log of mod v minus log of mod c equal to minus t. Log of modulus of v by c equal to minus t. V by c equal to, raising the power e on both the sides, e power minus t. V equal to c e power minus t. V equal to c e power minus t. V equal to c e power minus t. You can take it as 1. Starting when t equal to 0, velocity equal to 10 meter per second. Velocity equal to 10 meter per second. You can substitute in this first equation. 10 equal to 10 equal to c e power minus 0. So what is the value of c? C equal to 10, because e power 0 value is 1. So v equal to instead of c, you can write it as 10. 10 e power minus t. 10 e power minus t. You can take it as second equation. When t equal to 2, what is the velocity? So v equal to 10 e power minus 2. V equal to 10 by e square. V equal to 10 by e square. That is the velocity. Velocity equal to 10 by e square. Now we move on to the fifth sum. Yes, suppose a person deposit 10,000 Indian rupees in a bank account at the rate of 5 percentage. I told you in previously that 5 percentage is a constant k value, because see here, k is always constant. When we removing that proportionality, we can include that constant k value. Instead of that k, you can use it as 5 percentage. You can use it as 5 percentage. 5 percentage per annum compounded continuously. How much money will be in this bank after 18 months? 18 months means what? 1.5 years. So you can take it as, let a be the amount at any time t. Let A be the amount. Let A be the amount. Let A be the amount at any time t. At any time t. Let A be the amount at any time t. So rate of change of amount according to the time taken is directly proportional to the amount. It's directly proportional to the amount dt. But interest is given as what? 5 percentage. So you can take it as k equal to 5 percentage, k equal to 5 by 100, k equal to 5 by 100, 0.05, 0.05. So by removing this proportionality, dA by dt equal to ka, dA by dt equal to 0.05 into a. So dA by a equal to 0.05 into dt, integrating on both the sides. So log of mod a equal to 0.05 t plus log of mod c, plus log of mod c. So log of mod a minus log of mod c equal to 0.05 t. Log of modulus of a by c equal to 0.05 t. Raising the power e on both the sides, a by c equal to e power 0.05 t, a equal to c e power 0.05 t. Starting when t equal to 0. When t equal to 0, we invested the amount 1000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. 10,000. 10,000 you can apply in this equation. You can take this equation as 1. 10,000 equal to 10,000 equal to ce power 0.05 into 0. 10,000 equal to 10,000 equal to ce power 0. What is the value of c equal to 10,000. You can substitute in this equation. A equal to 10,000, a equal to 10,000 e power 0.05 t. Take it as the second equation. So 18 months after 18 months, it's nothing but what? 1.5 years, because 1 year equal to 12 months, 12 plus 6, 18 months. So after 1.5 years, 1.5 years, 18 months. 18 months equal to, say, t equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. It's nothing but what? 3 by 2. T by 2. What is the amount? What is the amount? It is a mixed fraction. You can bring it into improper fraction. So a equal to 10,000, a equal to 10,000 e power 0.05 into 3 by 2, into 3 by 2. So amount equal to 10,000 e power 0.075, 0.075. So if the values are given 0.075, you can substitute, or otherwise you can leave the sum as it is. See the sixth sum. Assume that the rate at which the radioactive nuclei decay is proportional to the number of such nuclei that are present in a given sample. In a certain sample, 10% of the original number of radioactive nuclei have undergone disintegration in a period of 100 years. What percentage of the original radioactive nuclei will remain after 1000 years? So you can take it as, let A be the amount of, let A be the amount of nuclei, A be the amount of nuclei, let A be the amount of nuclei at any time t, at any time t. Let A be the amount of nuclei at any time t. So rate of change of nuclei according to the time taken is directly proportional to A, is directly proportional to original radii. So dA by dt equal to, by removing the proportionality, Ka, dA by A equal to K into dt, integrating on both the sides, log of mod A equal to kt plus log of mod C, log of mod A minus log of mod C equal to kt, log of modulus of A by C equal to kt, raising the power e on both the sides. A by C equal to e power kt. So A equal to C e power kt. You can take it as 1. You can take it as 1. When starting t equal to 0, t equal to 0, a equal to initial, you can take it as a naught. A naught equal to c e power k into 0. A naught equal to c into e power 0 value is 1. C equal to a naught, you can substitute in this equation. A equal to a naught e power kt. Take it as the second equation. So when t equal to 100, when t equal to 100, a equal to, because they are telling about the, see, 100 years, that in a certain sample 10 percentage of the original number of radioactive undergone disintegration. 10 percentage, 10 percentage of original number of radioactive undergone disintegration means reduced. So 100 minus 10, we can get the value 90 percentage. So 90 percentage of a naught. So t equal to 100, t equal to 100, a equal to, t equal to 100, a equal to 90 percentage of a naught, a equal to 90 percentage of a naught, a equal to 90 by 100 into a naught, 90 by 100 into a naught, so 9 by 10 into a naught. You can substitute in the second equation. A equal to a naught e power kt, e naught e power kt. A value is 9 by 10. A naught equal to a naught into e power 100k, e power 100k. A naught cancel, e power 100k equal to 9 by 10. So, what is the next one? What percentage of the original radioactive nuclei will remain after 1000 years? So, when t equal to 1000, t equal to 1000, what is a value? T equal to 1000, what is a value? The same way, a equal to a naught into e power 1000k, e power 1000k. A naught, you can take it as this as 3. A naught equal to e power 100k the whole power 10, because a power m into whole power n equal to a power mn. A power m into whole power n equal to a power mn. So you can substitute the value. A naught into e power 100k value is what? 9 by 10 whole power 10 from 3. 9 by 10 whole power 10 from 3. So A equal to a naught 9 power 10 9 power 10 by 10 power 10 percentage. Percentage means into 100. So you cancel, you can write 8. So what is the value for this? 9 power by 9 power 10 by 10 power 8 a naught percentage. A naught percentage. See, I hope you understood this word problem, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.